Hi, welcome to Chapra Housing. Myself, Amandeep Singh Oberoi. Today we are here to check out one of the luxurious property which is at Parel Extension. So this property is developed into 2.5 acres of land parcel. Here is the structure model of this property. So if I speak about the model of this property is G+62 story of tower with having two level of sky club, which is the USP of this property. Come, let's check out the structure in detail. The ground level and the first level is a retail outlet, whereas it would be having the access directly from the road level. Then the P1 till P6 would be your Podium ramp car parking. As well as if I speak about the P7 level, P7 would be full of amenities, which would be containing 40 plus amenities in it. So let's talk about the connectivity of this property. If I speak about the connectivity of this property, there is an Worli-Sewri connector nearby, which takes you to Worli within 15 to 20 minutes. And if I speak about the Atal Setu is just backside of this property, which can take you to Navi, Mumbai airport easily. So you'll be getting a good connectivity on this property. Let's check out the sample flat of this property. So now we are going to check out 4.5 BHK apartment. The carpet area for this is starting from 20 to 51 carpet. Come, here is the entry where you get the foyer area, where else you can organize your shoe rack space or however you want. So if I speak about the first bedroom, so first would be your common master bedroom area, where else there would be an attached washroom in it. So here comes out the spacious living area with an attached dining area in it. And if I speak about the floor to ceiling height, the floor to ceiling height of this property is 10.3 clear height. And also there is an attached deck in this property, which is a very spacious deck. Right next to the living room, there is a puja room itself, which is over here. So there is a kitchen area over here, and in kitchen area you'll be getting both side modular done-up kitchen itself. So also there is an utility attached with the kitchen area. And if I speak about the servant room, so not to just get your privacy of the flat, we also have the servant room connecting your utility till the kitchen area, which is attached washroom itself. And you get a direct access outside of the flat for the maids. So it doesn't hit your privacy. So come, let's check out the common bedroom of this flat. And this bed size is 138 square feet with a full length window in it. Again with an toughened glasses. Also if we speak about the washroom, so there is a washroom attached with this bedroom. So once you exit from your bedroom, the common bedroom, you are getting a common washroom over here. So there's a master bedroom of this flat, which the size is 168 of this bedroom with an attached washroom. So the main master bedroom is over here. As well as if I speak about the main master bedroom, the master bedroom size is 211 square feet. Also there's a washroom attached in it. And as it is a main master bedroom area, there's a deck attached with this bedroom only. And there's an additional wardrobe area over here, where else you get the size for the wardrobe is 112 square feet, which can make you comfortably ready. So thank you for joining us today. For more details, please click on the link below, and also do remember to like, share, subscribe our channel.